Welcome to our family homestead.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's the day I'm gonna have to replace these. Someone had left me a comment about what to do with them to keep a little bit longer, to get a longer life out of them, and I really appreciate that. And it helped some, but now it's the time I'm gonna have to replace it. So I'm gonna replace it with some fall stuff. I'm not going to do a lot of months this year because I want to do something different. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. So you hope just come along with me. So for height, I'm going to use a silver, it's called Silver Dust, a Dusty Miller, and it's partially sun full time, and I'm going to have that under the under the deck right here. So I thought that'd be great for height. Go a little bit further in the bag. There we go. And I'm going to have the different one right here. And this is a Black Dragon. And I thought the colors are really, really pretty, and it's just going to be really pretty with all the colors I'm going to be mixing together. So, and also this I'm using for height. So this looks really pretty already. So now I'm going to go use a kale. I think the foliage will go really pretty with the colors that I got going right here. So I'm going to put this one in here. And it's a peacock red kale. So this is really pretty too. Something with more green. I think I'm going to go with the It's called a pink flowering cabbage. I'm going to use this one with it, and I'm going to put it right here. To add a little more color, I'm going to, let's see, yeah, these look really pretty. Even the ones I got right here. A little bit of color right here, that'd be pretty. And then let's see. Yeah, I kind of like these right here. I'm going to put some paints in here with it. I'm going to put these right over here. Paints are really good for cold weather. They really like cold weather. They don't particularly like really warm weather, so they will do really good in the cold weather. So I'll put the yellow one right here. I'm gonna put one more white one right over here to kind of balance it out. Alrighty, that's my first one. Again, I'm going to start out with this one here, with the height again. Start right here. This is also a kale. So they have all kinds of types, so this is really pretty too, so I really like it, so I'm going to put one in here too. I think this is it right here for this one. And just add those with them right here. Since they're still a little bit good. So this is it. It looks really pretty. I love the coloring of the all different kinds of kales and cabbages, and it just looks really pretty. All I added was some pumpkins and some bigger pumpkins to just highlight the fall, the fall decorations more. I did went ahead and added my flowers to my wreath. And then, well, having a white wreath is great because you can change things out. You do not have to always change the wreath out. You just change the things in the wreath out. So I really like that. So I like the neutral look because I can change out whenever I want to, whatever season. So I really like that. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and like I said, don't be afraid to create your own things. If y'all like this video and y'all like to, see some different things, whatever it is that, I do, like I said, I make arrangements, I refurnish furnitures, I plant in the garden, whatever, and I might cook my chicken. So leave me some comments, and I'll see what I can do for y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Bye. It's starting to rain. I better get my camera out of here.